Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to disable Instagram profile picture zoom. So the explanation here is to disable or prevent the zoom feature on your Instagram profile picture. You can't do so directly within the app itself. Instagram allows users to tap on a profile picture to view it in more detail, but there's no native option to turn this off. However, there are some workarounds. So I'm going to list you some workarounds that you can use to achieve this. So number one, you can try using a low resolution image. So upload a lower resolution profile picture. When the image is zoomed in, it will be blurry, making zooming less useful. Now next one, crop the image. Before uploading your profile picture, crop it tightly around the subject so there's less to zoom into. Avoid overly detailed images. Choose a profile picture that doesn't have too many intricate details or personal information that you wouldn't want zoomed in on. So unfortunately Instagram doesn't offer a built-in feature to disable zooming completely for profile pictures, but these workarounds might help you guys. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.